research. Rencana dan penelitian. Kamu teliti dulu. First, choose one disaster. So, in this case, you have to choose at least one disaster that you are going to make the video. For example, contohnya adalah gempa bumi, gue. Research the safety rules. Teliti dulu langkah-langkah atau aturan-aturan dalam keselamatannya. Apa yang harus dilakukan ketika bencana.
Kita usahakan rumah itu dari depan akan tampak sederhana, tapi kebunnya luas, tanamannya mewah, megah.
The atmosphere is colorful and normal. Students are arriving. Mr. Budi stand up. The crowd was taking a dance. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Don't forget to sign in.
Yes.
The weather is very nice, good.
Of course, sir.
Let's have a great learning spirit.
Mr. Budi.
That's right, Fatih.
Wow, it's really hot today. I think it's my time to leave this afternoon.
It's the transportation season. Be careful on your way home later, okay?
Of course.
Go inside.
Yes.
Miss Lilis accompanied Fanny to the front gate.
Good morning, Mr. Budi.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm dropping off Fanny. Please take good care of yourself. The sky looks a bit cloudy and dark.
We will take good care of the children.
As I'm able, scare the monsters under your bed.
Hello, everyone.
Liking for you is all I need until my heart gives in.
Teaching and learning activities. Miss Siti is explaining the lesson while students take note.
In this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under.
Miss?
Yes, why?
Wow, it looks like a big storm is coming, miss. Look outside, the sky has possessed a window.
Stay calm, everyone. Don't panic. Stay safe. Citra, please close all the windows and lock the library. And be sure of all electronic devices and unplug the cables.
Miss, the wind is getting very strong. Rivers are playing hard.
Conduct the door.
Yes,
Miss?
Mr. Daddy enters the room panting heavily.
Miss Cindy, get out of the class now. Danger.
What wrong, Mr. Mr. Reddy, why are you in such a hurry?
3 ice tornado behind the school. A big tree has fallen in front of the warehouse from his road. We must evacuate immediately to observe this.
Oh my God! What is this? We are running.
Everyone, stay calm, don't make a fuss. Listen to my instruction. Party, let your friends walk in a line, don't knock, roll.
Yes, miss. Everyone let obey me. Hold on to the shoulder of the person in front.
Oh good, the window glass is breaking.
I'm done. I want my mom.
Don't money, we will decide we have to be strong. Come on children, hurry this way. Stay away from white wall. Go across the middle corridor.
Come on.
Come on, go, 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 go.
I want everyone stay calm and protect themselves, okay? Mom, please stay party.
Upon the student city, make sure everyone is here.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take good, everyone. Please listen, no one is left behind. The wind will look extremely strong from outside. Many rocks will blow away.
Yes, mom. It was very pleasure. Actually, we evacuated. The children quickly.
Time is bright together. Hopeful this lesson will pass soon and on that foot.
This something to climb down. I will take one minute for a moment. Thank you. The wind has stopped coming out of sight and the and I fallen out is right that I only the iron while we are fine now. Thank you. It was really scary. It felt like a nightmare.
Thank you so much, Mr. Reddy, Mr. Budi, for protecting the children. It was story at trying situation.
Please go home with your parents. Be careful on the way. There are many volunteers on the road.